Hi, welcome to Estatoora LMS. Today, we are going to talk about crosswords in H5P activity and how you can use it in your courses. The crossword content is one of the newest additions where we can create our content from scratch. We can build and customize a beautiful crossword to engage our learners. The crossword is so customizable that we can even configure all colors, upload a background image, decide how scoring should work, and even randomize the words in it so that your students get a new crossword each time if you want. So let's get started on your crossword puzzle. First, we put our title, part of speech, then our task description. This part is optional. And finally, we scroll down and we are ready to put our first word in our crossword puzzle. In the clue box, we will put the question or the clue to the answer. It names a person, place, thing, or idea. And then, in the answer section, let's place the answer to our clue, noun. Then click on the second word. Then let's do the same thing. Place our question or clue in the clue box, a word used to describe an action, state, or occurrence. Then our answer in the answered box, verb, and we have the option to give extra clues. So for this number, we'll place some extra clues. We click on the drop down for these extra clues. I will just use text, okay, and then in the text version, we will just place our extra clues, action word. Repeat the same process until you are finished with your crossword. Once you are done with the crossword, let's scroll down a little so we can look at the other features for our crossword. In here, you have the option of having a range or a distributed score. So I'll just put a generic term or generic statement here or a feedback like, here is your score. If you scroll down a bit, you would see that you could actually change themes. So in here, you could add a background image instead of just a color. But for me, I will choose a background color. And you change the things here that you want to change. Scroll down a little and you'll see your behavioral settings. You can have the option of having score words or having your scores per word. You can also include penalties. Enable or allow your students to retry if they miss some words. And you can also let them see the solution for that specific crossword. Once completed, just click on Save. Now that you learned how to utilize crosswords in your H5P activity, you may check out the next video for other types of activities. For more tutorial videos on how to make fun and interactive H5P quizzes like this one, you may check out the other videos. At Estatoora, learning is made extra fun.